I have a specialty Goldie Boxed. So if you want to see what's in here and what today's giveaway is, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is a winter Goldie Boxed, but it is not the winter Goldie Boxed. In other words, Jess over at Everything Proof, who owns Goldie Boxed, put together a box. She only, I think, made 50 of these for purchase. So they weren't the winter box where you could customize, but it is full of winter treat items. You saw everything that was in there. You could decide to buy it or not. It was $49.99. I fell in love with it and got right on top of it. With Jess's stuff, sometimes it sells out really quick. Her fall boxes sold out like immediately. She's on, I think, version 3. I didn't grab that one. I liked the stuff, but I wasn't like, gotta have it. This, I was like, gotta have it. I mean, I almost bought the first variation. I went on to try to buy, and it was like already gone by the time I got home from work and got on there. Like, it sold out within hours, I believe. The second variation also sold out rather quickly. And I had gone on because there were some things in there that, like the bracelet I really liked, the scarf I really liked. There were some things I really liked. And I don't know, I just didn't pull the trigger on that one, but this one I did. I will tell you one thing I really like about Jess's box is that everything in here she has tried, she loves, and everything in here is cruelty-free. So any of the cosmetics brands or the skincare brands that you find in her box, if that's important to you, you know in her box, you don't even have to do the research because she's done the research. She also looks at different ingredients. So a lot of times, like, I'll watch her videos and learn about some skincare ingredients that I might not have known about. Okay, there is your sneak peek. And right off the rip here, we've got some adorable, wait, they keep coming. And there's one more, socks. So I thought these were so cute, and there's some for me and some for Chloe, and whatever's mine is hers anyway, so, you know. But these are super cute. I don't know the name brand, but just look at how adorable those are. So perfect for the winter. Next, by Upcircle, is a pamper kit. This has samples of the Upcircle best sellers. This is the test and try before you buy kit. This is natural, vegan, and upcycled. So even like, there was one thing I've gotten from this brand that I received from this brand that had blueberry skin. So when they're making certain things with blueberries or even with grapes, right, they get rid of the skins, but they're going to upcycle those things. All right, so they're not kidding when they're saying all of their favorites. So we have a face toner with hyaluronic acid, a hand cream, gotta have those glasses on, with upcycled hibiscus flower plus shea butter and marshmallow root to protect and nourish, an eye cream with coffee, hyaluronic acid, and cucumber to firm and brighten, a hand and body wash with residual water of kiwi juice, a face cleanser with upcycled oat powder and aloe vera plus jojoba oil and shea butter to soothe and nourish, a shampoo with coconut and grapefruit oil made with 50% less water for 3 times the wash, a SPF 25 mineral sunscreen with non-nano zinc oxide and vitamin E to protect and repair, a hand and body lotion with bergamot and vitamin E plus jojoba, aloe vera, and coconut to nourish and protect, a night cream with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide plus pro-retinol and rosehip oil to moisturize and protect, a body cream with aloe vera and cocoa butter plus shea butter and tinseed oil to moisturize and soothe. A face moisturizer with aloe vera and vitamin E plus cocoa butter and glycerin to protect and hydrate. A face mask with kaolin clay plus turmeric, baobab, and aloe vera to clarify and brighten. A face cleansing balm with oat oil and vitamin E plus sea buckthorn, black currant, and blue tansy to cleanse and nourish. And a face serum with coffee and rosehip oil. Wait, no, what we just had? Oh no, that was the face balm. A face serum with coffee and rosehip oil plus sea buckthorn, raspberry seed, and rose to hydrate and protect. So they're really taking ingredients that would otherwise have been discarded and putting them into their products to kind of give you the full benefits of some of these different items that would have otherwise just been tossed out. All right, next we have some little candies. Now these were assorted. I got cookies and cream, and you know we're going to try these out right now. All right, so they look like a little button. There's cookie inside. And they're covered in like a white chocolate. Delicious. Right by Amina is the gingerbread whipped body butter. Oh, that smells so nice. By Kaolin Wax Company, the Dignity Series Home and Holiday. Oh, that kind of has like a little bit of a gingerbread scent as well. Very nice and very pretty, just very simple. And then last, because what I need is another mug, right? But I loved it and said, gotta have that. And I don't know if these were assorted designs or not, but look at how pretty that is with the holly. And it's just a nice size coffee cup to keep your coffee nice and warm in. It is a 12-ounce mug, so you do like your 10 ounces of coffee, and then you do your cream and sugar like I do, or you can put your hot cocoa in there, do 8 ounces of hot cocoa, do some whipped cream, some marshmallows, and you're good to go. All right, that is my winter Goldie Boxed, but not my winter Goldie Box, if that makes any sense. In other words, this was just a specialty box she put out. Let me know your thoughts. Now, today's giveaway, in keeping with the ideals of Goldie Boxed and some of the things that you'll find in her boxes, I have this skincare item by Trifle Cosmetics. They're part of the So Susan family, and this is a cruelty-free brand. This is their Soft Swirl Overnight Hydrating Face Mask. So it's not the kind of face mask that you would put on and wash off. It's the kind that you put on, go to sleep in, and then wash off in the morning, because it's more like a cream. There's a skincare item, and then we have a home item. So this is by Ruth McCabe Designs, and this is like for maybe like a single flower, something like that. And very, very pretty. I just don't think I'll ever use it. I've had it in this box for quite a while. I've never used it. I do hope it ships well. I am going to just put a disclaimer in there that if this breaks in transit, like there's nothing I can do about that, but I will wrap it very well. I will wrap it better than it came to me wrapped, which was in this, but I will definitely make sure it is well wrapped. Now, if these come off, you just squeeze them back on. So don't worry about that if one of these detaches, because you're just going to squeeze them right back in. It's like a little nook there that you're going to squeeze them into. All right, so if you want to participate in this giveaway, use the word lifestyle in your comments to let me know that you are interested in a mini lifestyle giveaway. That is a skincare item that's cruelty-free and a home item that's very simple but beautiful, elegant. And if you're the winner, I will tag you in the comments. So that means you got to hit that like button. You got to publicly subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know when you're tagged in my comments. Well, that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me, and hopefully I'll see you soon.